These people.
I'm not involved in them. You involved in when you was acting crazy. They called.
Because you're not even married. She said you're not even married. Are you going to give her? Just not being detained anymore. I'm just
On August 31, 2024, a couple arguing over a phone at Orlando International Airport triggered a chain of legal questions most people never consider until they are standing where he was, handcuffed, asking, was any of this actually legal?
That's right, somebody called the police, yeah.
We're arguing.
Okay.
That's what's wrong. Is that a crime? I can't argue.
It might be.
I can't argue.
It all depends. It all depends. You will release her. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Why'd you just touch me?
Because you just broke the law.
I grabbed your hand.
If she
That's
wants to
my
walk
wife.
away, that's right, and she ain't your property, bro.
Okay.
She's a grown woman. And you need to start acting like a grown man.
I am. She started.
How long
all
you been
this,
married?
bro.
How long you been married?
We wasn't arguing or
Listen,
nothing.
just answer my question. How long you been married?
2 years.
Okay, so you're still a newlywed. How long did you date before that?
What?
Did you date before you got married?
No.
Okay. You got any kids?
No. She has kids. I have kids.
Do you love this woman?
I love her to death.
And respect this woman.
I do respect her.
Okay.
She disrespected
Dude,
me, and
you
we
are in
got
the
to
dog-
arguing,
you
and
are in the
everybody
dog
making me
house.
look bad.
Well,
Everybody making me look bad because she started an argument,
you know the
and I
saying, right?
respond, and now
Wait,
I'm
listen,
the bad
listen.
guy.
You know the saying, if mom ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. Okay.
Y'all
Are you
always
guys
trying
here
to
on
make-
vacay?
We got a connection flight to Chicago.
Oh, so you're going, is that where you live, in Chicago?
No, we live in California.
Okay, but you're planning this to fly from here to Chicago and then what, hang out?
From Chicago to
Back home?
back home.
Okay. Where do you live in California? Where do you live in California?
Sacramento.
Sacramento. Okay.
Can you tell me what happened?
He was going through my phone. He seen some text messages that he don't like. And he was trying to fight, argue with me on the plane. And I told him, don't do this on the plane because it was somebody sitting next to us. And I don't want to make anybody else uncomfortable. So I said,
the flight in?
On the flight in. So I told him, wait till we get off the plane. You can go through my phone. I don't really care at this point. So then he was going through my phone, and then I'm walking away with my phone. And then he wanted to question other things on my phone and send people pictures.
Oh, Superwoman right there on the video.
Well,
I'm
she's-
gonna save the day.
She's running
Stupid
this
ass.
call, okay?
I go home with her.
All right.
I go home with her. Yeah, okay.
Listen,
I don't give a damn what you talking about.
Listen, don't disrespect third-party people, okay?
Yeah, because she want to
Listen,
come over here acting like she a
listen
Superwoman or
to me.
something.
He not even flying on Southwest. He called the wrong person, stupid ass.
You guys living together?
No.
You're not? Because he said he's going home with you.
We were going to Chicago. We were going to visit
I'm
his.
seeing a little bit of injury to your nose and your lip. Is that from him?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
It looks like you've been scratched.
I may have been scratched. Probably scratched myself trying to get away from him, but he didn't do it. No. He didn't do
He
that.
bruised your arm on this side.
No, I had a bruise from, is it on? Yeah, I have a big bruise. No, that's been there. Yeah.
Were you physically hurt by him?
No, I wasn't physically hurt by him. I was just trying to get away from him. And the guy was trying to get him to stop because he was yelling and trying to pull me back.
You've been dating him a while?
A long time, yeah.
Okay. Is he a little bit controlling, you think?
No.
Or jealous?
Maybe jealous a little bit, but not, he's never acted like
Is he going
this.
through your phone because he thinks you're having an affair?
He is. That's why.
Okay.
That's why
Is your phone your business or his?
It's mine. And that's why I'm asking for my phone back because he doesn't pay my phone bill.
Who has your phone?
He took it. He wouldn't give it back to me.
He got your ID and stuff too? Or just your phone?
Like, can you fly out? You have your ID
No,
to fly out?
I have my ID. I have my passport. I have his passport.
You have your boarding pass, or is it on your phone?
I have my boarding pass. Only thing that's on my phone is my credit card.
Okay. So, if he is going through your phone, in my opinion as a domestic violence expert, I'm going to tell you that's what I am because I teach on this. He's stalking you. So if he's going through your phone thinking that you're cheating, and you're not, this is a sign of things to come. Okay? If he accuses you of things that you're not doing, that is called a little bit of jealousy, maybe a little narcissism. If you are having an affair, then break it off. But if you're not, and he's accusing you of it, then maybe he's concealing something he's doing.
Oh, he's done a lot of things in the past. I've caught him with women in our apartment. So
So you need to have a serious talk with yourself, your family, your friends, and maybe your therapist about whether or not, about whether or not this is a guy you want to marry. Because it's just going to get worse. the physical abuse is eventually going to get pretty bad, and it could end in murder. And I'm just being honest with you because I've seen it so many times. Okay? So if this is the way it's been, if there's constant issues between infidelity or lying to each other or stalking one another, trying to figure out what the other is doing, then it's not going to work. And you don't want it to end with your life being gone or his life being gone or both of your lives being gone, especially if you're a mother.
You want your wife going to Chicago without you.
She not.
Okay? So just chill. Give her her phone.
I can't.
And you guys can... Why can't she have her phone?
I'm not. She's texting up.
Well, listen, if that's what she's going to do, she's going to get another phone and do the same thing.
She can do that.
Take the phone and again to
she can do
put
that.
an end to that.
She can do that.
Okay, listen. Now, do you text females with your phone? You have female friends?
Not no more, no.
Not no more?
No.
Okay. Well, what I'm saying, it's her phone, okay? Did she take your phone and run through it?
Yeah. She did.
I mean, if you let her, that's
it's
fine,
payback.
but...
No, I didn't.
Okay.
She did it on the low. Yeah. So I'm the bad guy.
Well...
See what I'm saying? So I'm the bad guy.
All right, well, she's the one that wanted to go home.
All because
Now, do you have to go to Chicago, or is that just a stop?
It's just a stop. Well, yeah. Well, we was going out there for a couple of days.
All right, but like I said, you know, it's up to you what happens. Okay? You can play it cool.
I'm cool.
Or you can mess up big time.
Cool.
All right, but here's the other thing, too, okay? You need to work on your communication skills with your wife. Okay? You married this man.
I tried to talk to her about it.
Well, listen.
She ran away, walked away, tried to talk.
All right, but
we tried to talk.
Okay, so
I'm not
you gotta know
the
when
bad
to,
guy.
you gotta know when to give up.
I'm not the bad guy.
I'm not saying you're the bad guy, okay? But, and if she's doing what she's doing, and if the worst is the worst, bad on her. But you still have to be an adult about it, okay? And don't let her push your buttons, okay? So you decide what you want to do. You want to call us off, get a divorce, walk away, that's entirely up to you. Now's the time to do it before you have kids, because then you ain't paying no child support, okay?
All right, is there anything else you want to tell me about what he did on the plane or what he did to you? Would you tell me if he hurt you?
Yeah, if he hurt me, I would tell you. He didn't hurt me.
Physically hurt you?
No, he didn't.
If he caused any injuries, would you tell me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Has he been arrested for harming you in the past?
No, he's not a violent person. He's never done anything like this before.
Okay. But the way you're feeling right now is not good. And
I understand.
you're anxious, you're upset, you're crying, and I don't know if that's your behavior or his, or your reaction to his behavior. If you think you did anything wrong, then maybe you feel, okay, maybe he has a reason to be upset with me. But if you didn't do anything wrong and he's just physically going through your phone because he can, that's your private entity.
It's just more so embarrassing.
Well, but it's your private, so that's your private life. If you're choosing to have an affair and you get caught, then I don't want those consequences to be your life. Okay? Because men can be jealous and violent.
Mm-hmm.
And just the little bit of scratching I'm seeing on your nose and on your lip, if it ramps up from there, then, I mean, what are you, 30-something?
I'm 40.
40? I don't know if you're a parent, but you don't need to be in a relationship and have your kids see anyone who's treating you with jealousy, with control, with contempt, calling you names, trying to cut you down. Someone who loves you, supports you, and they back you up, and they would never hurt you. That is not love. So if someone's tearing you down and making you feel less than, move on. Mm-hmm. Move on. Calm down.
Okay, in a nutshell, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
They're been married for 2 years, flying to Chicago and then home to Sacramento. And he don't want to give her a phone back because he says she's been texting other black guys, basically cheating on him. That's what he thinks, right?
Okay. But your decision to be with a woman who's doing that is your decision. Her phone.
Yeah, we went over that.
Her phone is her property, and you going through it to find out what you need to find out. Now you know, and so
I don't know enough. She's gonna lock the phone.
Okay, well, it's her property, and just like if I grabbed your property and said, let me go through it, and you said no, then the answer would be no.
Now, you know this guy? She's been texting you?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
All right, well.
I mean, you make your decisions on what you've learned, but her property is her property, and you need to return it. Yes, you do.
No, I'm not.
You need to return it.
But I'm not.
Okay, sir. You need to give her her phone so she can find
I
it.
don't have to give her her phone.
Yeah, you do.
That's a civil thing.
I disagree.
I know the law.
I
You're gonna have to
disagree.
take it from me.
Take it from me then?
Yeah. You're gonna have to take it from me. I'm not giving
So
her her phone.
You're not. You just said I'm not giving her her phone. So you're committing what? Grand theft?
No, I bought it.
Okay, it was a gift to her. It's still hers. It doesn't matter if you pay for it or not.
No, yeah, it does. It's in my name, so technically, it's mine. So
Okay, so pull it out and show me it's in your
I don't
name.
have to.
You're trying to prove to me it's in your
I don't
name.
have to. You prove to me that it's in hers.
How do I do that without handling a phone?
Figure it out.
Okay.
It's my phone.
Is the phone in your name or his, or was it a gift?
No, it's mine. It's in my name.
Okay. At which company?
T-Mobile Sprint.
Sprint. And we can log into your account? Mm-hmm. Okay. She's going to prove that it's her phone, and then you're going to give it to me, or you're going to jail.
Why don't you just give him my phone?
What are we doing?
I just told you what we're doing. She's logging into her account, and when I prove it's her account, you said I couldn't, then you're going to jail.
You're going to Chicago. They don't have any flights going to Sacramento.
You said you're married, is that true?
No, we're not.
You said you've been married 2 years.
Yes.
Yes or no?
We're not married. We're not living. Trayvon,
What are we doing?
you're going to get on
Why
your...
are you involving these people, bro?
I'm
What
not
are
involving
we
them. You
doing?
involved them when you was acting crazy. They
Come
called
on.
the people.
Let me talk to you.
No.
Can
We're
I
done
talk to my wife?
No, we're done. She says you're not
I'm
even
just stepping on my
married. She
foot.
said you're not
Don't
even married.
touch me. Angie, can I
Are
talk
you
to you?
going to give her her phone or not?
Angie, can I talk to you?
She does not want to talk to you,
Angie,
sir.
can I talk to you? Can we have a conversation without these people? Can we have a conversation?
You know
Are you
what?
gonna
If
give her
you
her
give
phone?
her her phone, y'all can text each other and
No,
talk
I
till you're
want to
blue
have
in
a
the face.
conversation
you
without
wanna have
y'all
it your
right here
way.
because y'all being
Because you want to have it your
No,
way.
ma'am,
She
I'm
doesn't
not,
want to
ma'am.
talk to you.
Ma'am,
She's told
listen, can you
Southwest.
listen?
No,
I'm not-
I want you
I'm
to
not the
listen.
aggressor here.
She wants to go to
I'm not the
California.
aggressor here.
She wants you to go to Chicago.
I'm
You're
not,
not
I live in
hearing her.
California. I
not
live in
hearing-
California.
You're not hearing
Why
her.
would I go to Chicago?
She doesn't
You're
want
not
you.
hearing me.
She doesn't want you with her.
Need to yell.
Where am I supposed to go? How are you going to try to leave me in Chicago? Where am I supposed to go? Where am I supposed to go? I live in California.
Okay, but all of your family is...
No, they're not. I live in California, Angie. You gonna try to sit here and leave me in Florida after all that shit you just did in these text messages? With all these, you gonna leave me in Florida? That's how you gonna really do me out here?
Calm down. You need to calm down.
That's how you really gonna do me out here? For what?
This is how he usually acts when he
Ain't
doesn't
nobody
get his
getting
way.
violent with you, lady. Why is you so tough? You need to retire already with your old ass.
You know what?
You need to retire.
You know what?
You need to stop it.
Baby, I'm trying to have
You
a
need to
conversation
calm,
with
no,
you, but
you
you
need
have
to
these
calm,
people.
no, you need to calm
Why would I
down.
calm down if I'm
You
getting
need to
sent to
calm
Chicago with no way
Trayvon,
home?
calm down.
Why would I calm down
The
if I'm
lady
getting sent
already
to
told me
Chicago
it's
with
no
no way
flights
home?
going to Sacramento.
How am I supposed to get home?
Trayvon,
How am I supposed to get home?
Trayvon, you need to calm down.
I'm
You're
supposed to
being,
calm down after I just found out what's going on. Now we going through all this, and now I can't even get home, and I'm supposed to calm down.
because you're being irrational. You're being irrational. You're yelling. You're being very disrespectful. You're being.
How would you
malmannered
feel
with
right
people.
now?
How would I feel all them
How
times?
would you feel right
How
now?
did I feel all them times?
How would you feel right now? What if I tried to leave you in Florida? What if
I'm
I
not
tried to
trying
leave
to-
you in Florida?
There-
What if I tried to leave you wherever you was at?
Trayvon, are you not realizing?
And I just went home and just said, F you, you go whatever flight you
That's
going.
not how it transpired.
That ain't
Trayvon,
how it should. You just changed your flight.
She said that she was going to get me on a flight home. I want to go home. I'm not going.
Okay, I want to go home too.
Okay, well,
so
tell
you
them-
just gonna get home and then
listen,
leave me out
Tell
here?
them you want to go
Trayvon.
home.
You booked the shit. You have my ID. You have my passport. You got
They will do
everything.
everything that needs to be done. So
No,
you
the
can
f- they won't. They're gonna do it for your f***ing ass because of this.
Trayvon, you need to stop. You need to calm the f- down. I'm about to call your mom because you're being
Call
crazy.
her.
You're being crazy.
Call her.
You need to stop because
I'm
your
being
crazy
crazy.
ass gonna be stuck in Florida.
I already am.
No, you're not.
I already am. What am I supposed to do now? I'm already am.
Trayvon, they said that they will put you on your
Bro,
flight.
they ain't gotta put me on shit.
All right.
Okay.
Well, they're
He's
not going to put you both on the
He
same
wants
flight.
his
That they're
way.
not gonna
He's
do.
not listening. It's time to be done.
Alright, I'm leaving. Let me get out this here.
Give her her phone.
I ain't gonna shit.
If you want to talk to her, you better give her her phone. Otherwise, you're going to have two phones and no communication whatsoever.
Sir,
Here you go. I was texting the police in my phone.
sir,
What?
you're not free to leave.
How?
Because
am
you
I under
have-
arrest?
Oh yeah, you're detained.
How?
You're
For what?
detained for grand theft of her phone.
For grand theft of her phone. How? What phone?
Do I have to explain?
You proof that it's her phone?
Yeah, she just logged into her account.
Nah.
She just logged. Okay, then pull up her phone and show me the text message.
I don't even have a phone on me, man.
Sir?
I only have my phone. I don't have a phone. Don't touch me. You're not permitted to touch me.
Actually,
We're done.
How was you
Now we're
permitted
done.
to touch me?
Now we're done.
How are you permitted to touch me?
ID.
Now we're done.
Now we're gonna have to do it the hard way.
Can you stop touching me?
Nope.
She's looking for your ID.
Not going my underwear. She's looking for an ID. She just run.
Well, now we got two phones. Do you have any ID or a wallet?
No.
Now you're lying.
Okay.
You're stealing.
And now you're being very, very disruptive.
I'm suing the hell out of y'all. I'm suing you. What's your badge number?
You'll have it on your affidavit. I'm done with you.
For what? What am I being?
Chill. I got him.
Relax.
Can I talk to you?
Relax.
Well,
Relax.
relax.
I'm just
You're
turning
not being
my
detained
head.
anymore.
Okay, it's
done.
time to
Turn my
read for
head.
unwanted touching, which in the state of Florida we call
Who
battery.
did I unwanted touch? Who did I unwanted
Twice.
touch? When?
Twice.
What am I being?
Once with her and once with me.
I touched you.
No. In front of her and in front of me.
Who did I touch?
All right, which one of those is hers?
Who did I touch?
I'm not sure. Have it tell me.
Maybe.
That was mine, bro.
Which one?
That one.
This one?
Yep, that one mine too.
All right. Well, I mean, which one do you want to keep? So when your mama calls, you will be able to answer. This one? Well, let me double check. Which one's hers? Which one's yours?
How am I being a jerk
This
when
one?
you're the
You're
one?
done talking. That's enough.
What
one's-
did I
yeah.
do
She
is
says
my
that one.
question.
All right.
What did I do? Can you answer that?
What is this? Oh, that's
That's my money.
Oh,
Can
money.
you answer
Okay.
that? Can you answer that? What did I
Hang
do?
on.
Why am I in handcuffs?
Well,
Why am I in handcuffs?
you want to know the real reason?
Because I tried to leave the airport?
No, because you don't listen.
I tried to leave the airport.
We went over this.
I just tried to leave the airport.
We went over this.
Sir, what did I do? Why did she put me
You
in
touched
handcuffs?
your wife without her permission.
It was.
in front
Did
of
you ask
us.
her if it wasn't her
It don't matter
permission?
what she wants to do now.
Did you ask her if it wasn't her permission? I didn't touch her without
You're
permission.
supposed to get it first.
What are you
Up front, right?
I did have permission to touch her. What are you talking
Where?
about? When
Yeah,
did she not?
she said grab me when
When
we walked
did
over
she?
there.
I didn't grab her.
Yes, you did. Listen,
You know that's
you
fake.
you are
I just
bending-
tried to
wait,
leave.
you are no, you didn't. You
Yes,
tried-
I did, and then
you were
she
making-
grabbed
You were
me.
making a pain out of yourself
Because I
okay?
tried to leave the airport.
You should-
I tried
listen,
to leave the airport.
Hey, you know what would have
What did
happened?
I do?
You know what would have happened if you just gave her her phone?
I just tried to leave
She
the
could
airport.
book a flight. You could book a flight. You could go straight back
All
to
I tried to do
Sacramento.
was leave the airport.
And then you guys could have
All I
continued
tried
this
to
when
do
you got
was
home.
leave the airport.
Well,
That's it.
That part we'll get accomplished.
So what was the problem? That's what
Are
I'm
you at
asking.
988? Okay.
That's what I'm asking you.
We're gonna need
What's
some
the
wheels,
problem?
right? Who's got wheels?
Did you call for a car?
No, not yet.
What?
No.
Am I going to jail?
Most likely.
For what?
For battery.
Can you ask her? For what?
Battery, domestic
Angie,
violence.
they said I had no permission to touch you.
It doesn't matter.
Then I have
She can't.
permission to touch you.
See? And even if she gives it to us now, it
Angie.
don't make any difference.
Angie,
You don't.
Angie,
You know. Hey, yell louder. I don't think everybody in the airport is seeing you yet.
Angie, baby.
Hey, listen. When you see that face,
Angie.
baby ain't gonna cut it. You need to stop for today, listen and absorb carefully what I told you, and decide how you want the rest of your life to go. Okay?
Well, on vacation, coming back.
I just want.
They were going home. They were going to go to Chicago and then Sacramento.
I didn't do nothing. I just wanted to go
Okay,
home.
listen. If you didn't do anything at all, you just had a little low-key argument with your wife, Southwest would not have got
No,
involved.
we
We
got
would not
yelling
be
at each
here.
other. We were yelling
No,
at
you
each
don't.
other. That's how everybody got involved.
that's-
We started yelling at each other.
Well, you don't do that. Let her
But it
yell.
didn't get
and then
physical.
we come out here and then everybody thinks
But
she's
it
the crazy
didn't
one.
get physical.
It don't matter.
It didn't get physical at all.
Well,
We were just yelling at each other.
listen, do you know why the law is like this? Because people like you that don't want to listen
How? We were just
start putting their hands
Why?
on people,
I didn't put my
and sooner or
hands
later
on
somebody
her.
gets hurt.
I didn't put my hands on
So
her.
now I'm lying.
What? Because I tapped her?
When you left up there and grabbed her arm and I grabbed
didn't
you,
grab
and I grabbed you, and you said, why are you grabbing me? What did you say?
That's my wife.
Or what did I say? I don't know.
You said I couldn't touch her.
I said, yes, she is your wife, but she's not your property.
Right.
Okay? You don't
Because
need permission to touch property. You need permission to touch people.
Right here, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. Because I was
Just stand right here. I'm gonna search you real quick.
No, you good.
That's disorderly conduct.
This. I ain't understand what the hell disorderly conduct is. Yep. Right.
Do me a favor. Turn around. Turn around.
Well, keep it real. Was she allowed to hang me up like that?
Swing your legs.
No.
Swing your legs.
Oh, my bad, boss. Like, keep it real. Was she allowed to?
You got any money in here?
Nah, I got the money.
Alright, bro, you go. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take these off real quick. I'm gonna give it back to you, alright?
Nah, remember when you said you couldn't reach in my pocket to get my phone? And then she came and did the exact thing? She came and did the exact thing you said you can't do. You was like, I can't reach in your pocket to get your phone. And what she do? Came and reached in my pocket and got my phone.
Back then, you were behaving yourself.
I feel like she broke the law.
Watch your back.
All I tried to do was leave. And he said, oh, I can't reach in your pocket and get your phone. And then she come and do it. That's crazy. I feel like she broke the law.
Alright, bro. You good?
No, hell no.
Florida Statute 784(3) defines battery as any intentional, unconsented touching. No injury required. No force required. Florida Statute 741(28) extends domestic violence protection to dating relationships. Not only marriages. A 2-year romantic relationship qualified. The law does not ask whether you meant harm. It asks only whether consent existed. Florida Statute 812.14 defines theft as retaining the property of another person with intent to deprive. Under Florida gift law, a phone purchased for a partner becomes that partner property upon transfer, regardless of whose name appears on the carrier account. If the phone value exceeded $750, the offense elevates to grand theft under Section 812.12. A third-degree felony. Florida versus Bostic. Supreme Court 1000. 991. Airport police contact begins as a consensual encounter. The moment an officer states, "You are not free to leave," the Fourth Amendment activates. At that point, officers need at minimum reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio 1000. 968. Here, observed injuries, admitted physical contact, and a property dispute in progress provided substantially more than reasonable suspicion. The controlling legal principle of this encounter: you do not need permission to touch property. You need permission to touch people. 2 independent battery counts were established. 1 involving the partner, 1 involving the officer during resistance. The second count elevates to a third-degree felony under Florida Statute 784.7. Battery on a law enforcement officer. 3 legal lessons from this encounter. First, retaining disputed property against police direction is not self-help. It is a criminal act. Second, in domestic violence cases, officer observed injuries establish probable cause independent of victim cooperation under Florida Statute 741.29. Third, the right to remain silent and to request an attorney was available at every stage of this encounter. None of it was invoked. But the most critical questions remain unanswered. Did a carrier account verification legally establish ownership, or only raise probable cause? Was the search of his pocket before formal arrest constitutional under the Fourth Amendment? And if the victim denied injury throughout, what evidence actually sustains the battery charge at trial? The difference between a conviction and a dismissal lives entirely in those answers.